When you see the good in someone, you don't give up on them. Especially if they don't see it themselves. And if you're ever lucky enough to find true love, you fight for it. Every day.
You still believe that? After everything you did for love? Was it worth it?
If you find someone you love enough to ruin your entire life for, it's always worth it.
I love everything about her, and I'm not a guy who says that lightly. I'm a guy who has faked love his entire life. I thought love was just something idiots thought they felt. But this woman has a hold on my heart that I could not break if I wanted to. It has been overwhelming and humbling and even painful at times. But I could not stop loving her any more than I could stop breathing. I am hopelessly, irretrievably in love with her.
Ang kasal sa simbahan ay sakramento. Sakramento, ibig sabihin, ito ay ang tanging pamamaraan na itinatag ng ating Panginoong Hesus upang tayo ay tumanggap ng tanging biyaya.
Nasa point na kami na wala nang urungan, na accept niya ng lahat sa akin at accept ko na din siya. Lahat-lahat ng kung ano siya, kung anong pagkatao niya, ugali niya, lahat. Hi, mahal ko, Makoy. Alam mo, sobrang saya ko ngayon because we did it. I can't imagine we are here now. Dahil sobrang daming nangyari. Remember, inabot pa tayo ng pandemic 4 years ago, year 2020. But for me, this is more than just a wedding. It's a dream come true. A dream to be united with the person that God has prepared for me. Didn't see it coming. I even have never expected this to every couple. But God really had is full of surprises. He will give a gift when He knows you're already full enough to receive it. I'm so proud of you, and we are so blessed that God gave us the chance and the perfect time for us.
Macario, you may now kiss your bride.
Thank you so much for being a responsible partner to me, and especially for being a good father to dear Aya. Andito lang kami ni Aya for you. Kahit saan ka makarating, isipin mo lagi na andito at naghihintay sa pagbabalik mo. Stay strong, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Aya. God has given us our biggest blessings, our loving and sweet Aya, and I always say this, kayo lang sapat na. I love you.
Mahal ko, sa araw na ito, ipinapangako ko sa iyo ang lahat ng aking pagmamahal, ang makasama ka sa bawat desisyon at hakbang sa buhay, sa tagumpay man o kabiguan, sa mga pagsubok at sa lahat ng pangarap. Sana suotin mo po ito at magustuhan mo.
And I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment.
Ito na ako. Mag-asawa na.
All I can breathe is your light.
Sa pag-aalaga sa akin, kasi kung wala kayo, wala ako ngayon dito. So thank you sa pag-ingat niyo sa akin at inalagaan niyo ako ng maayos. Love you.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand.
Ipinapangako ko maging iyong kanlungan sa bawat hamon ng buhay at katuwang sa mga problema. Ngayon, ibinibigay ko sa iyo ang aking buong pusong pagmamahal at ako sa iyo ngayon magpakailanman.
And I